Hello everyone, welcome back to Foodie's Path. Hope all are doing good and safe. Today we are going to make fried rice. This is one of the most wanted recipes by a few of my friends and colleagues. I have cooked the white rice and kept it in the fridge overnight. And prior to start cooking, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed, and like the videos and share it with your families and friends. So let's get started. I'm taking 1.5 cup of basmati rice. You can take any white rice that is suitable. Clean and cook the rice. And after draining, this is going to go into the fridge at least for 5 hours. You can even cook it on the previous night and keep it in the fridge overnight. I've taken a pan, a big pan. Into that I have added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We are going to make a scrambled egg for fried rice. 3 eggs. And into this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Give it a mix. Now the eggs are almost done. That's it, we'll remove it. And in the same pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any other light oils you have. And into this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Fry it well for some time. In most of my recipes, I use that one pan concept to cook as much as I can. And now I have added half a cup of French beans, which is finely chopped, and similar quantity of carrots. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of cabbage, which is thinly sliced. You can even cut into small pieces like carrots and beans. And into this, I'm going to add few pieces of capsicum and the white layer of spring onions. Capsicum is fully optional. I'm just adding it here just to see some bright colors in the rice. Let's add the chilled rice. Looks like I'm not going to take the whole quantity that I cooked. I think this is enough. Okay, and now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. And the scrambled egg. Give it a mix. Blend it well with the vegetables. And I want to mention one more thing. I didn't add vinegar in this dish because I didn't like the taste of the vinegar when I added. You can give a try to both, with vinegar and without vinegar, and stick to whichever you like. Look at that, how beautiful it looks, and I'm sure it's going to taste amazing. And the final touch is going to be the spring onions. You can add spring onions after switching off the stove or just prior to switching off the stove. So our fried rice is ready. You can have it with any Chinese side dish. And Please give it a try. And if you like the video, please share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching.